Have you ever wondered how we can communicate effectively with AI? Imagine you journey to an unknown place where everyone speaks a different language. How confused would you be, right? Now think about the world of artificial intelligence. If you think this is a similar situation, then hit that like button and subscribe to help support this channel for better content and quality. The key to understanding this new language lies in the basics of machine learning and neural networks. First, picture a small child learning to speak. They listen, they imitate, they make mistakes, and they correct themselves. This learning process is mirrored in the world of AI, specifically in machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI where machines learn from data. They observe patterns, learn from them, and then make predictions or decisions without being specifically programmed to do so. If you are enjoying this content, let us know what you want to learn more about in the comments section. We enjoy reading your thoughts and opinions. Stay tuned until the end to learn how best to talk to AI. Now, imagine a vast web, a network of interconnected points. This is a neural network, another fundamental aspect of machine learning. Neural networks are designed to mimic our brain's own network of neurons, enabling machines to learn and make decisions in a more human-like way. They are made up of layers, input layers, hidden layers, and an output layer. Each layer takes in information, processes it, and passes it on, much like how neurons in our brain work. So how do we converse with AI? It's all about structuring your communication effectively. Keep in mind that while AI can parse and understand large amounts of data, it is not inherently intuitive. It's crucial to provide clear and structured information. Feedback loops are a great way to refine AI's understanding. Much like a student learning from a teacher's feedback, AI learns from the feedback it receives. This iterative process helps AI improve its responses over time. Understanding AI's limitations is also important. Remember, AI is not human. It does not possess emotions or intuition. It operates based on the data it has been fed. It's also crucial to remember that AI's understanding is only as good as the data it's been trained on. Keywords play a pivotal role too. They act as signposts for AI, guiding it to understand the context of the conversation. So, using clear and relevant keywords can make your communication with AI more effective. While communicating with AI, it's also essential to consider ethical and practical aspects. Privacy, security, and cultural sensitivity are paramount. AI should be used responsibly, ensuring that it respects user privacy, is secure from potential threats, and is culturally sensitive. In a nutshell, communicating with AI is like learning a new language. It involves understanding the basics of machine learning, including neural networks, structuring your communication effectively, using feedback loops, understanding AI's limitations, and the importance of keywords. And above all, it involves using AI responsibly, with due consideration for privacy, security, and cultural sensitivity. So the next time you interact with AI, remember these key points. And who knows, you might just become fluent in this new language of the future.